This is a place where you can ask your queries, your questions, your doubts. Yes, point Sheikh. So first, what are your queries? Yes, welcome Vijay Adhikari. Yes, Moin Sheikh. What is?
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute.
Yes, sir, please.
So my question is, how can I earn money or make my career in Vedic mathematics?
What do you do as of now?
Now I am a teacher.
Teacher of which subject?
Actually,
Your voice
I
is
have
breaking too much.
completed MSc in physics.
You have done MSc in physics. Okay, that's great.
Okay. Yes.
And which city you
Yes.
belong
Now
to?
I'm Ratnagiri, Maharashtra.
Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. Okay, so now currently you are studying only, or you are into some profession? You are working as a teacher or anything you're doing?
I'm in profession. I'm working as a teacher
Teacher for physics or mathematics?
for mathematics.
Mathematics. So can I ask you some questions? Basic questions, very simple questions.
Yes.
How much time do you need to write a table of 89? I don't think I made a joke.
For 5 to 10 minutes. 5 minutes.
Now, see, this is not a joke. Try to understand. If you remember your earlier days when you were in class third, class fourth, class fifth, teachers used to scold you. They used to cane you for these tables itself. And tables were the biggest burden in your life that time. Sometimes you might have felt, oh, I should not go to the school also.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
And today you have done masters. Still, that fear, that havoc has not gone. Still, that burden is there with you. You are still in a trouble. You're saying it might take 5 to 10 minutes. Now, I'll just give you a surprise. It hardly takes 10 seconds to do it. Only 10 seconds. See, what is Vedic mathematics? Okay, I'll just come back to you. Yes, BJ, you are from? BJ, am I audible to you?
Yes, yes. I'm from Nepal.
Nepal, which place, sir?
Nepal, Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. What do you do, BJ?
But currently I live in Dang, Tulsipur.
I know. Okay, so what do you do? क्या करते हैं आप?
I'm a teacher.
Teacher of which subject?
I'm a Teacher Nepal fellow mathematics. Math fellow.
So I ask the same question to you also. How much time do you need to write a table of 89?
89, it's around 1 minute.
1 minute.
Actually, I learned Vedic mathematics basic, but not in professional level.
Even if you have learned in basic, then it should not take 1 minute. It should take hardly 5 to 10 seconds.
But I need 1 minute around.
Okay, not an issue. Now, why this is happening? Why there is a trouble? Why people are having the fear? Okay, you both are teachers. So let's talk on this. Why do students have fear of mathematics? Why are students afraid of mathematics?
Sir, what I think, what I there is a fear of mathematics due to very baseline, I think.
What baseline do you think? What is the baseline?
Sir, basic concept is not clear. Plus, minus, multiplication, division.
Okay, so do
For
you
that
think
reason,
class one, now in class one we start with addition, and I think throughout the year we are there with addition and subtraction only, correct? So how much time do you think more
yes,
is
yes.
required? Or for multiplication, how much more time is required? See, I'll tell you one thing. Most focus is given on mathematics. Math teachers are valued the most. Maths is given the most importance. Every day you have this class. It's not like 2 days a week or 3 days a week. It's almost every day whenever a student is going in a school. So still, how much more do you think work has to be done? Or see, I'll give you a very simple stat. Now, if there is a class of 40 students, 30 are again going to tuition in the evening. Correct. Again, out of 30, 10 are failing. Now, there are two possibilities. So, two failing means 25% of the students still fail. There are two possibilities. Either the teacher is not good or the subject is very tough. But what I think, both these things are not correct. Basically, the method, the techniques we use, they are not done in a proper manner, or we are using the old techniques following without any reason. We have been following the same old techniques. Okay, very simple question to both of you. Being the teachers, math teachers. Now, whenever we write something, we write from left to right, correct? Yes, Moin Sheikh, left to right. Whenever we read something, again, we read a newspaper, a book, or anything, it is from left to right. You both are sitting, yes, Anita, you too, you are sitting at your home, just see in front of you, there might be a cupboard, there might be anything placed. The first instance, you see things placed on the left hand side and then towards the right hand side.
बात करते हैं?
समझ आया मेरी बात?
Sir, repeat this question.
मैं ये क्वेश्चन नहीं बोल रहा, मैं बोल रहा हूं कि हम लिखते कैसे हैं, लेफ्ट से राइट?
Yes.
पढ़ते कैसे हैं, लेफ्ट टू राइट?
Left to right, right to left also.
पढ़ते
Yes, yes. Right to left also and left to right also.
राइट टू लेफ्ट कौन सी?
Urdu, sir.
उर्दू को छोड़ दीजिए
Urdu
अभी.
language.
Yes, only one language you are
Okay.
talking about. I know you're giving your. Now my question is, when you do everything left to right, why do you do maths the reverse? Why maths you write from? You got my point.
Yes, 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 sir.
Why is it so? So you both are maths teachers. Yes, Vijay, did you understand my question?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because we start from unit place
Okay. So do it
every
say,
time.
now, this is where your brain becomes slower. Why your mathematics is slow is this reason. I can give you right now, I can make you think like that. That means only half hour, an hour. I can work on that. I can show you the examples and you'll be much more faster than the calculator. But left to right, not right to left. Because everything you do in your life is left to right. This is how your brain works in synchronization with your eyes. Yes, Moin, regarding you. Now, that is one reason why your Urdu is very fast. If you have seen students or scholars reading Urdu, that is very fast than any other language.
Yes.
So the basic reason behind that is the same. Correct. And even writing. So maths becomes slower because mentally we cannot calculate from right to left. So this is a basic reason. So what is Vedic maths? With your mathematical calculations will become simple, faster, easier. Correct. It is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. It gives you an ability to think in a different manner. Whatever you want to do, let's say a very simple thing, addition. Now we have only one way to solve in our conventional mathematics, but here you get enormous ways, number of ways to solve. So what does that develop? It develops critical thinking. अच्छा, concentration क्यों बढ़ती है? Why students don't like anything, or why students are not interested in mathematics? Because they don't find it interesting. कभी आपने सोचा है? Have you ever thought of it? A student remembers 3 hours of movie, but hardly remembers 40 minutes of class. Have you thought over it?
Yes, sir.
कभी भी बच्चे को रात को बोलो पढ़ ले तो बोलेगा नींद आ रही है, and he'll start yawning. 1 मिनट बाद टीवी ऑन कर दीजिए, 3 घंटे तक वो फ्रेश बैठा होगा, and he'll say I am fresh enough. So why is it so? Only in education, only in studying. Because yes, we don't find interest.
Yes, yes.
And mathematics is the most required subject. Can we avoid mathematics? No. Today we are in the world of competitions. If you want to attend or join class 1 also in any school, you have to, if it is a good school, you have to give an entrance test for class 1 also. And what will they ask you? They'll ask you regarding English and mathematics. Might be you know everything about the mathematics, but still that competition will have some limited questions and you have to cover up in limited time. That means it is always race against time. And certain times we have seen even the students who are doing very good in the class, but where they lack in speed. Got my point? So Vedic mathematics gives you that speed also, because you can do the calculations right to left also, left to right also. Both the directions you can move. So when you are able to do it without any problem, then it becomes speed. Right. Any question, any other question you have?
So can you give an example how to add from left to right?
Yes, I'll give you for add also, and I can give you from multiplication also. I'll just give you. Yes, BJ, do you have any questions? Anita,
Sir, not
हाँ बोलिए.
question, same question, sir, as previous speaker said.
चलिए हम आज देखते हैं कि क्या लेफ्ट से राइट करने से हमारा फास्ट होगा दिमाग के नहीं. करेक्ट करें यही?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, yes.
चलिए स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं. 2-3 क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. एक, व्हाट इज 1 2 3 4 5? दोबारा बता रहा हूं. What is 1 2 3 4 5 into 11? Yes, Vijay.
It takes time, sir.
No, after 10 minutes, you'll say the answer within seconds. That is 1 3 5 7 9 5. Say today is mathematics day. The birth
Yes,
year of the great mathematician. Right. So,
right.
Shakuntala Devi, she was able to calculate 22, 23 numbers in one go. Now, I'll just tell you. Is this screen visible? We'll start with very small topic, that is multiplication with 11. Okay, before starting, so first target question is what is 1 2 3 4 5 into 11? And I said it is 1 3 5 7 9 5, and you will be also able to speak this within seconds. One thing is this. Second question is what is 576 into 121? Yes, how will you do this? See, why I've asked you such question is, I just want to see what is your way to work. How do you start with this? And then you'll see how you change within some minutes. Yes. Yes, MS, any answer?
Sir, basically we use traditional method. That means first 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 1 to 5, and second again
No
2.
issues. No issues. The only thing was I wanted to know with you. Now you agree. Just remember your answer.
Okay, sir.
Yes, MS, how do you solve? Going. Anita. See, when I want you to experience certain things, and that would be only possible when you will give me the answers. Yes, MS.
There is two possibilities, sir. We can
Tell me.
use calculator for doing this
So let's not joke.
multiplication,
If we have to
or
do,
we can.
listen, Wayne. If we have to do with the calculators, then things cannot work. I'll tell you one thing. Do you
Yes,
know why these
yes, sir.
people I'm working in Nepal, why there is a problem in Nepal in mathematics subject? Do you know?
No, sir.
I'll give you the reason. The reason is they have allowed calculators in their examination halls.
Okay.
So that means it is like when you allow cheating, what will happen? A day will come when nobody would like to study. Nobody would like to compete. Everybody knows, yes, we have got the calculators. So let's not discuss on this. And the second option, you tell me.
Actually, sir, in the first example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think first logic is first we take first digit from left to right, first digit, third digit, and 5 digit. Fifth number digit means 1, 3, and 5. After that, we add the third and fourth digit means 3 plus 4, which is 7, then
No,
5, which is
no,
9.
no, no, no. Let's not discuss this. You just tell me about this. That I'll tell you. I'll give you the.
Hmm.
I'll give you very easy concepts.
Okay.
Let's
Sir,
576 into 121. How will you start with it? If this is the problem,
first we will multiply 1.
that's all.
First multiply from 1 to 6, then 1 to 7, 1 to basic
No,
method.
no issues. No issues. Just remember you answered this. Correct? Now,
Hmm.
let's start. Now, do you know 11 is a magical number? Whatever you multiply, that number is written twice.
Okay.
This we all agree.
Yes, yes.
Have you ever thought what happens after single digit number? What about double digit number? Does that magic remains or what happens? No, I'll give you. Let's take a double digit number 12 into 11. Now, what is the answer? Yes, Vijay. What is 12 into 11?
132.
132. How did we do? We do like this.
Yes.
Any other method you have?
No.
I'll give you a very easy technique today. Whenever you have 11 as one of the multiple, that is why the topic was multiplication with 11. I started with this simple topic. Now, if one number is this, other number, it becomes very easy. First digit as it is, last digit as it is, in between add the two numbers. So see, calculations have become so easy. Here you are doing 2-time multiplication and then adding. Here, first digit as it is, then 1 plus 2 becomes 3 and 3, 2 as it is. Another example, 23, 2, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3. Did you understand? Yes, MS.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Correct. 33, 3, 6, 3. Any doubt?
No.
What is 36 into 11 then?
36 into 20, 396.
Very good. So did you ever thought like this?
No.
Are you not doing better than calculator?
Yes.
You will be able to calculate such 10 digits, 12 digits also with such simply. Okay. Yes, Vijay, did you get the answer?
Yes, sir.
So what is 43 into 11?
43 into 11,
473.
473, correct? What is 54 into 11?
594.
594.
What is 72 into 11?
792.
Okay. What is 80 into 11?
880.
Very good. Now, if you observe, every time the total of addition was less than 10. It was a single
Yes.
digit. Now just observe. 3, 6, when I multiply with 11, it becomes 3. I just put a balance a line in between. 3 plus 6, 9, and this. Now we call this line as balancing lines. They don't have any physical importance, but yes, very useful in segregation or in giving you the correct answer. Why? What is the concept behind this balancing line? That in every place value, you should have only one digit. I'll make you understand. This works on the place value concept. What is place value? How many digits you can have in unit place? Yes. How many digits in one unit place?
1 digit.
How many digits at tens position?
2.
No. The 2 are the total. But if I talk about
Okay, right,
tens
right, right,
position, that's why I asked you how many digits are tens position. It is again 1.
1. Right, right.
Please remember, at every position you can accommodate only single digit. The total number of digits at tens position becomes 2. But if you talk about tens position only, it is always 1. So what happened? 36 into 11, it was 3, 9, 6, and it was correct. But the moment, okay, what is 37 into 11? Yes, tell me. 3, 10, 7. Do you think this is correct? It
No.
is correct here, but it is wrong here. It is correct here. So why is it wrong? Because at tens position, we cannot have 2 digits. So extra digit moves further. It becomes 407.
Okay.
So what about, similarly, if I ask you what is 39 into 11? So 3, 12, 9 means 4, 2, 9. 55 into 11. So that is 5, 10, 5 means 605. Clear? Yes,
sir.
Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear? Okay. Some more questions we'll do. So what is 64 into 11 now. Fast.
704.
704. Very good.
704.
704. Correct. What is 83 into 11?
903.
903. What? Sorry. Can you check how
Wait.
903?
913. 913.
Yes.
913, not 903. 913.
Got my point.
913.
Correct. Now, similarly, what is 78 into 11?
858.
Now, just imagine. Try to do this with your normal method. Are you not saving time? Are you
Yes,
not
sir.
able to do the calculations mentally, which you were never thinking also?
Yes, yes.
More. What is the largest two-digit number?
99.
Largest 2G 99.
What is 99 into 11?
99 into 11. Yeah, here I think
Nothing. Simple.
1089.
1089. Because it is 9, 18, 9. So that 1089. Yes. Who am I? Sorry. Please rename yourself so that we can talk. And you're from which place? Okay. So any doubt in any two-digit numbers?
No, sir.
Similarly, let's move further. 1, 2, 3 into 11. Now, 1 as it is. 1 plus 2 gives me 3. 3 plus 2 gives me 5. And 3 as it is. Is it clear?
as it is. Yes,
Now,
yes, sir.
now if I ask you what is 236 into 11, what is the answer? Fast.
2596.
So, who is faster? You or calculator?
I am.
So why do you want to use calculator then? Because you don't
It's a
have the
habit
confidence
now.
in yourself. Got my point.
Yes.
See, I'll tell you. Now, Vijay is from Nepal, but you are from India. And as per national
Yeah.
education policy, this subject has been
Okay.
made compulsory.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that means it has to be implemented in every school. So that means
Yes.
it is an opportunity for you, for every maths teacher. And if they still believe that they know better, then a day will come when non-mathematicians will be teaching the same mathematics subject in an easy manner to the students, and students would find it more helpful. Right? Okay. One more. 278 into 11. Fast. Don't use.
9.
No, it won't be
2,
2.
sorry. No,
See,
no, 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 no. It's
I'll
not
tell you.
9.
I'll tell you. See, I have to go this way. Correct. So very first thing I need to understand, I am doing 2. Here 2 plus 7 would be 9. But can I write 9? No, because second 7 plus 8 will give me a carryover. So that would
Yes.
be fine. That would be giving me a carryover. That would be again forwarding here.
Yeah.
3, 0, 5,
Yes.
8.
5, 8.
Correct. Similarly, if I move further, 7,
Yes.
6, 8 into 11, 7, 13, 14, 8. That means 8, 4, 4, 8. How fast we are able to do it?
Mhm.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, I asked you one question. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11, and nobody was daring to answer it. Now, do you think it is difficult? It is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 5, 9, and 5. Easy or not?
Very easy.
But we'll see. Now, when we'll go for a workshop on Saturday, Sunday, then we'll discuss it in very detail. Every question, 120 questions you'll be solving on this, and then other techniques also. But let me ask one question now. What was the topic? What topic? Multiplication with 11, correct?
Yes, yes.
Where did you multiply? Yes, MS. Where did you multiply? Vijay, multiplication कहाँ हुआ?
दिमाग में.
दिमाग में ये कहना कहीं तो होना भी चाहिए ना, हुआ ही नहीं, क्योंकि हम जब
Multiplication addition हुआ, right? Addition हुआ.
What addition? What addition? See, when you teach in class 2, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, उस टाइम बच्चे को ये समझ ही नहीं आता ये क्रॉस है क्या. No student is able to understand what is this cross. So what do you teach? You say
3 times multiplication.
either 2, this is 6, or 3 plus 3 is 6, and you say multiplication is repetitive action of addition. Correct? This is what you teach. But हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन था 12 into 11. क्या मैंने 12 11 times add किया?
कॉपी पे पेन दी थी.
Did I add it 12 11 times?
No, sir.
Did I add it 11 12 times then? Sorry, 11 12 times.
No.
Then what I did exactly, I want a correct answer. You are math teachers. Yes, Radhika Shahi, you are from? Radhika, am I audible to you?
यस सर.
कहाँ से हैं आप?
गुड इवनिंग सर.
Good
मैं
evening.
नेपाल से. आई एम फ्रॉम नेपाल.
नेपाल, which place, ma'am?
नेपालगंज.
Okay. आप Tuesday भी आए थे ना?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
अभी आज तो 11 का.
आज हाँ सर, अभी मुझे अभी याद आया कि आज मेरी क्लास है.
अब तो आधा घंटा टॉपिक.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी
नहीं
सर.
किया उसके लिए अभी तक सैटरडे वाले के लिए.
हाँ जी, करूंगी सर, कल करूंगी.
ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
Yes, tell me, विजय, MS. तो फिर ये क्या है? See, basically try to understand. It is adding corresponding digits. क्या आपने अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए, क्या आपने 1 2 3 4 5 में 1 और 5 को जोड़ा? नहीं. क्या 1 और 4 को ऐड किया? नहीं. 1 2 और 4 को किया? नहीं. आपने 1 को 2 के साथ, 2 को 3 के साथ, 3 को 4 के साथ और 4 को 5 के साथ जोड़ा. So that means the exact definition is adding corresponding digits only. Now are you clear, Vijay? Yes, Vijay, MS, any doubts, any questions you have now?
No.
Okay.
Regarding the 11, I have not question. But what happens, sir, if we take instead of 11, we take 12 or 13?
Just MS, you did MSc. Still, you are not clear about tables. And Vedic maths, we started 15 minutes and we talk about so many big things. Still, I have to go. I have to ask you a question now. So give me a minute. Now tell me one thing. I can teach everything. If you have seen, I have the most. So that is one thing. Now tell me one small question. What did you observe from this topic? Just this answer. What was your observation? Yes, Vijay, you also.
Yes, sir. It was quite easy and.
Sir, this is a diplomatic answer. I am asking a technical question. What did you observe from this methodology or this technique?
It is easy technique to multiplication any number.
Sorry,
from
again
11.
a diplomatic answer. Okay, I'll give you a hint. First time you did in your life. Now you can answer.
Multiplication is so easy.
Let me answer. What you are doing? You are doing from left to right, not right to left. And Vijay was saying, because we do right to left in maths, because unit place, tens place. Now where has your unit place, tens place gone?
Raja.
Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Now question is in front of you. Answer is in front of you. Answer is 135795. Correct? Left to right. You can also go right to left. And just 5 minutes, observe, 5 seconds, observe yourself. And you tell me which way is more faster. Left to right or right to left?
Both are same, I think.
This is like Mana Manu. Try. I'll give you one more question. Try. See, that's why I gave the judgment to you. See, one thing you have been doing from past 20 years, one thing you just learned within 5 minutes. Very first thing, comparison is very difficult, but no, there is a significant difference because your mind can calculate, can add in this direction very easily. Yes, BJ?
yes, sir.
Maths can be done from left to right also, na?
Yes.
Yes, basically we use right to left. So mathematics is being boring, but when we use left to right, it may be easy for us.
Yes. See, there are so many other, what I told you, it gives you ability to think. And to the kids, to everyone, it gives you, you attain a feeling of, yes, I can. See that feeling, yes, I can. That is very important. Okay, why do you send your kids to school? Just so that they can gain confidence, they can stand in the market, because tomorrow they have to live a life. And if they are lacking in that confidence only, so there is no use of attending the schools. There are so many things, and that is the reason after Corona, people are opting for open schools only. They are opting for online schools only, so that they at least students can collect knowledge also. One thing is very sure. Okay, I ask a simple question to both of you. You both studied a lot, correct, to achieve your position, to achieve a job, correct? Yes, MS? Yes, be.
Yes,
But once you got job, did you ever try to upgrade your knowledge after your job? I want an honest answer.
somehow yes, but not like it previous.
No issues. It's okay. Okay. Now I'll ask you one question. What is 141 into 22? Please answer me. Yes, MS. Answer from you also.
2552. No, sorry, 2552. No,
How are you attempting? Just let me know that only.
yeah. If we take first 11, therefore 11's double 22. Therefore, we take 22
Five,
doubles.
who asked you to take 11?
That's all.
Let me tell you. Now this is known as visualization. See, now this is not a complete workshop. I didn't introduce you these concepts. Now you visualize that this is something related to 11. You are correct. Then you find a reason. Yes. So this improves your reasoning skills, visualization, reasoning, and logics. See how this question can be done. Or few teachers might think this way also. 141 into 11 into 2. Now this can be, even 22 can be done mentally. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now coming back to the old question. I asked you one question. Now you stand to your earlier way, or you have something new to tell me? Yes, MS.
Here first take 5, then previous method, then after that we will add 1. Can we?
That
No?
means, yes, Vinay, Vijay, sorry. See, it was very simple, 11 into 11.
11 into 11. Yeah.
So that means 6336 into 11. So that is 69696. So you had to
Okay,
multiply thrice
121.
and then
Okay,
add.
okay, right. Here 120. Actually, I thought this is 12, and after that it is semicolon. Sorry.
I gave you the same question initially, if you
No, no,
remember.
no.
No,
Actually, I
it's
think that this is not 121. I thought this is the 12, and after that is semicolon.
okay. But now you understood.
Okay.
If it was 121, if you are able to visualize, that is the biggest thing. That means your brain started working. You start visualizing. Yes, it is multiple of 11 and we can do like this. Now, once you consider it as multiple of 11, this calculation becomes so simple. It becomes just mental calculations. Got it?
Yes.
So now any questions you have. So this was just one technique I showed, because though this platform is not to solve the questions, it is to clear your doubts regarding Vedic mathematics. Any questions you have in your mind, any doubts, any questions, any queries you have in your mind. So that was a doubt, like he said, no, we can, mathematics is right to left because we solve from unit place, then tens, then. So I just wanted to clear your facts. We have been following European method of mathematics, and that is why our mathematics, mental mathematics, not mathematics, mental mathematics is very slow. Why should we have our mental mathematics strong? See, we have to use our brains. If you will not use your brains today, tomorrow they'll be dead. I'll give you a very good example of that. How many phone numbers do you remember, MS? Now, Ashita, you're from? Am I audible to you, Ashita?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. You are from?
Yes, sir. या एक्चुअली मैंने अभी ही ज्वाइन किया मीटिंग.
कोई
मैं
बात नहीं,
बाहर हूँ कहीं.
मैंने पूछा कहाँ से हैं आप?
मैं मुंबई से हूँ.
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं. 9 बजे शुरू हुआ था तो एक टॉपिक आज समझाया था. आपका कोई डाउट या क्वेश्चन है वैदिक मैथ्स को लेके तो आप पूछ सकते हैं.
नहीं, वैदिक मैथ्स को लेकर ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है, क्योंकि मैंने वो टॉपिक देखा भी नहीं. आपने क्या सिखाया इन जनरल, बस ये था कि वेब ज्वाइन करने का कंसर्न यही था कि क्या बेसिकली होता है ये.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको आज का
और ये इन फ्यूचर ये कैसे.
मैं आपको आज का वीडियो भेज दूंगा. व्हाट्सएप नंबर होगा मेरे पास आपका, मैं देख लूंगा. राइट. अदरवाइज भी कुछ वीडियोस मैंने शेयर किए थे, अगर आपका नो इश्यूज. यस, एमएस.
या वो मैंने देखा था यूट्यूब के शॉर्ट्स थे वो.
हाँ, कुछ वीडियोस थे. राइट. यस, राधिका.
यस सर.
एनी क्वेश्चन नाउ?
अभी तो मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया सर.
फिर आप 10 मिनट में ज्वाइन करोगे तो टॉपिक तो 9 बजे शुरू हो गया था ना.
हाँ जी, वही तो.
चलो सैटरडे को पूरा करो, 2 से 5 तो सब everything would be clear.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
Right. Yes. Any question, Vijay? Yes, Vijay. Do you have any question left?
No, sir.
All queries solved. so easily? No. See what all we can do with Vedic maths. Very first, you need to understand that also. So we can do arithmetics, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, conics, and even organic chemistry. Yes, MS. You told you have done MSc physics, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in physics as well as in mathematics, we generally come across a term called pi,
Yes.
correct? And I
Right.
think when we do the question paper, in most of the numericals, we come across this situation.
Yes.
And the value is 22/7.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Now, do you know when you have to divide by 7, the value is always the same, always 6 digits after the decimal?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Actually, I'm. What's your question is what?
My question is, dividing, if I have to divide by 7, we do not actually need to divide every time, because
Okay.
the answer is always same 6 digits. We just have to rearrange. Do you know that?
No, I don't know, sir. Only in this case, I know because.
Please see, this won't come alone. I'll tell you. See
Okay.
how you will save every maths, every physics question paper. One person can save at least 15 minutes if they know what is 1/7. Now 1/7, if you understand, it is 0.142, then 857. I'll tell you how. 7.01, then 4, 28, 2, 0, 2, 14, 6, 0. That means 8, 56, 4, 0. Now, just remember these 6 digits: 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. Now, whenever you divide any other number also, let's say now you have to divide 2/7. So you'll not do complete division every time. So what would be the first digit? 2/7. 0.2. Yes or no? Yes, MS, I am asking you something. 20 divided by 7. 7 to the 14 only, na? Point. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You need not to find further. What comes after 2? 8. What comes after 8? 5, 7, 1, 4. So 2/7 is this. If it is 3/7, now what is the first digit? 4. So what comes after 4? 2. What comes after this? 4/7. 7 5s are 35. So 0.571428. See, you don't need to again and again divide. And you have to divide because you will be multiplying with some digits every time. And I'm talking about after decimals. For what we waste, or what we take around 10 to 15 minutes every time. राधिका, ये समझ आया कि नहीं? विजय,
हाँ जी,
ये
Yes, sir.
कंसेप्ट समझ आया?
ये तो जो डिवाइड किया आपने,
जी,
हाँ जी,
समझ आया? मैंने बताया कि 7 से जब डिवाइड करते हैं
हाँ
तो
जी,
यही 6 डिजिट आने हैं हर बार।
हाँ
1
जी,
से डिवाइड करके आपने याद कर लिया 142857। और बाद में बस वही डिजिट्स को आगे पीछे कर रहे हैं आप। सिर्फ पहला डिजिट निकालना है आपको, बार बार डिवीजन नहीं करनी। ये सूत्र है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सूत्र है वैदिक मैथ्स का, जिसको कहा जाता है केवलम सप्तम गुणियत। तो ऐसी बहुत से कंसेप्ट्स हैं वैदिक मैथ्स में जो आपकी कैलकुलेशंस को बहुत इजी बना देते हैं, राइट? So I think yes. Any question you have, you can ask me. MS, Vijay, Anita, Ashita, Radhika, any question you have, you can ask me now.
No, sir.
Okay. Yes, Vijay? Nothing?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. MS? See, never give up. Always keep
No, sir.
on. Life is to learn a new topic every day. If you'll have that with you, even your students would be happy because you'll be giving them innovative methods every day, right? So thank you very much for being so patiently watching this. And if you have any queries, I'm just sharing you my number, my WhatsApp number. You can send me your queries. I'll try to solve. So 91 is the code of India for Radhika, you and Vijay. Plus 91 701 576 1074. Right?
Okay, okay, sir.
Right. Thank you very much and good night. Right. Bye-bye.
Thank
Good
you very
night,
much.
sir.
Thank you.
Good night.